Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open Gemini on your phone. First, you'll need to download the official Gemini application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure your device meets the minimum operating system requirements for optimal performance. Before you begin, have your email address and a strong, unique password ready for the setup process. This ensures a smooth start to your crypto journey. Once the Gemini app is successfully installed, open it up. You'll then be presented with two options: either create a brand new account or sign in if you're an existing user. If creating a new account, you'll enter your email and password. For both options, follow the clear on-screen prompts to proceed, which often includes email verification to confirm your identity. Security is paramount, so next, you'll want to set up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You'll also need to complete identity verification, which typically involves providing a government-issued ID and a selfie. Finally, link a bank account or debit card. This step is crucial for easily depositing funds and beginning your cryptocurrency transactions. With your account set up and secured, you're ready to explore the Gemini platform. Take some time to navigate through the app, discover the wide range of cryptocurrencies available, and understand market trends. When you feel ready, you can confidently place your first trade. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals and resources. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.